In this ASL social story, we will be talking about making friends. We will be learning how to initiate and maintain positive social interactions. Welcome to Sign Tribe Academy and our videos on social stories and their benefits for children, including those with autism and other disabilities. Social stories are short narratives that describe a specific social situation or concept in a simple and structured way. Social stories use clear language and visual supports and sometimes even sign language to help children understand social cues, expectations, and appropriate behaviors. Social stories help children to understand familiar or challenging situations by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable parts. They can be customized to include sign language or other communication supports, making them accessible for children with different communication needs. Social stories provide opportunities for children to learn and practice social skills in a safe and supportive environment. By exploring different perspectives and emotions in social stories, children can develop empathy and understanding for others as well. Greet others with a friendly smile and wave hello. Join group activities or events or games. Be nice and listen. Invite friends to play with you. Smile. So you're going to have your hands in bent hand shapes, almost like a closed five bent, and then go up right here in front of your mouth. Smile. And then, of course, waving hello. Join group events or activities or games. Join. So you're going to have your non-dominant hand in a C shape, dominant hand in a U, and it's like you are the U and you're joining in. Join. Events or group games, okay? Those are some different things that you can do. Group activities. Event or like something that's going on. Group. Make G's, they are touching together, then you come around to where your pinkies touch. Group, game. So make A's, your thumb is sticking up just a little bit and then your fingers will touch together, your knuckles will as well. Game. Be nice or kind and listen. So you're going to have your hands in closed fives and your dominant hand is going to swipe towards your fingertips. Nice or kind and listen. Your index finger of your dominant hand pointed to your ear. Be kind and listen. Invite friends to play or invite friends to play with you. Invite. So have your hand and your dominant hand in a closed five, curved a little bit like you're bringing them in. Invite. Friends. Index finger of both hands and then you're going to interlock them and then switch. Friends. Play. Have two Y's and then twist a couple of times. Play. With. Now, earlier we signed game. We're going to do the same hand shape with A's and your thumb out, except this time we're going to have the fingernails touching. With, and you just do it one time. With you. With you. Thank you for watching our video on social stories. We hope that you found this information to be helpful. Remember, with the support of social stories, every child can learn, grow, and thrive. Be sure to check out Sign Tribe Academy to learn more American Sign Language with our courses and also gain access to the supplementary picture cards to use for your visual schedule or communication support.